Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're going to grill some sausages. The grilling in the sausages is not the important part, it's how we're going to do it. That's what we're going to focus on. If that got your interest up, hang out, get to cooking. Alright y'all, here's the sausages we're going to do. They're Johnsonville's, they're stadium brats. These are all fully cooked. These are the New Orleans andouille, I think that's how you pronounce it, smoked sausages. I love both of these, but I'm going to show you how we're going to cook these. Of course, we're going to cook them on the grill. Get me a plate out here, get these out of the package. Now, I just seen this on the internet, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. We're going to find out, though. I can guarantee it. Alright. They said to take your sausages like that, line them up, and use a skewer, and we're going to skewer through them. So, oop. Alright, got that one there. Alright, makes sense. Once they're cooking, you can just take your tongs and flip them over. So, alright, I'm going to get these other ones done, and then we'll head out to the grill. Alright y'all, I'm going to shoot this freehand because, frankly, I don't feel like setting a tripod up for starters, but it's not going to be that much in-depth cooking, so no need to have the tripod set up. So, alright, got them on there. Let's let them start cooking, and then we'll come back and see if flipping them is any easier. So, y'all hang out, I'm going to hang out, and we'll be back. Alright y'all, it's been a few minutes. Let's check these things and see how easy it is to flip them. Whoop! Hey, look at that. Them things flipped right over. Oh yeah. I think this is going to be a pretty handy method. Yeah. Beats trying to flip them each individually and rolling over the grill and all that stuff. So, and looks like it's going to take up a little less room on the grill, you know, because you're not spacing them all out. So, all right. Let's let this other side cook here, and we'll do her again here in a little bit. Alright y'all, time to give these things another flipping check. So, ooh, I can hear them cooking now, so let's, oh yeah, they're looking good. I'm actually going to rotate them. Looks like it's a little hotter towards the center than it is the outside, so, but, yeah, one-handed flipping, this is awesome. Whew. Oh yeah. Flippin' awesome. Flippin' awesome. I love it. Alright. There you go, guys. I'm going to cook these a little longer. Then we'll go in and see if it changes the taste of them any. It shouldn't, but you never know. So, let me finish cooking these up and we'll get in there and do a little taste test. Alright, y'all. There you have it. New cooking technique for them sausages. So, super flippin' easy. It's awesome. Today's beverage of the day, though. Lemon lime, sparkling water. Gotta keep hydrated, y'all. Ooh, that's some good stuff. Now, for the taste test. I don't think it's gonna change the taste of how they taste, but this is the bratwurst. Oh, doesn't change the taste of one bit. Tastes just like an awesome grilled bratwurst. So, there y'all have it. I know it wasn't really a recipe or cooking, But as a cooking method, I guess you'd call it, y'all need to try it. I bet you it'd even work great for hot dogs and stuff too. Throw a pack of hot dogs on there, flip them, easy peasy. I'm going to start doing it this way for all the time now that I know that it works well. So anyways, appreciate y'all watching. If you would, please go down there and hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, at the tractor pulls, wherever we happen to may be. So appreciate it. And also Sunday night live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come on in, hang out, chat with us. Always a great time. Appreciate y'all hanging out this long, watching. And as always, bon appetit.